Hi peeps, what's up? I'm Melanie and you're watching Melanie I Am. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded until now, but I've been real busy all the weekend, so I didn't have time to film, and that's why there was no new video from me this week. But instead there's gonna be one today, which you're watching right now, and then there's gonna be one on Sunday. So, as I said before, I haven't... Sorry. I'm gonna continue tomorrow. My mother just called and she doesn't know about this yet, but I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. I hope so. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. I don't really have any fillers, so I'm so sorry that it's first up now, but I love you. Bye! Yeah, so this happened and I've been working out with some people, played badminton, and I'm home, and none of my parents, or my sister as well, is home, so I'm just gonna take a quick shower and I'm gonna come back to you. Okay guys, peeps out there, I'm so sorry. Seriously, I don't know what happened today and last week and everything, but things seems to go wrong for me these days. So yeah. Okay, so this video is gonna be a hashtag get to know me tag something. Alright, everything that possibly could go wrong is gone wrong. My mother can get home every minute, and my stepfather and my sister can too. So and that was the shower. Let's get started. I am so busy. My name is Melanie. Most of my friends call my Melle. My name M-E-L-L-E. So I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can say that in English, but my birthday is on the October. Oh, my back hurts. Oh, I don't know if you can see my eyes. My birthday is on October 1st. No, it's not. Oh. A lot of my gymnastics, which is not as you in... What is wrong with this eye today? Oh. Oh. That hurts. Okay, I am probably black all around my eyes. On my TV, which you may or may not, my favorite TV show is Friends, and now my stepfather and little sister are coming home, so I'm gonna end it here. This is how to not make a video. Click the thumbs up if you enjoyed see me failing, and I'll see you next week.